Naka, waiting no good. Come close the door.
On it, you want to make another.
Naka, waiting.
Check, money. Your reward shall be in heaven.
Thank you. Come close the door.
Come close the door.
Come close the door.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
What's going on here?
Isabel.
What did they happen for here? Eh? What did they happen for here? What is the problem? Why you go bring woman come house? Why you go bring woman come our matrimonial home? For what?
I'm sorry, oh. Hey, devil, my cause this one.
So you mean say carry woman come our matrimonial home? You don't fear God.
The devil. You see, last night last night I won't carry you before. I won't do something with you. You say you not fit. Say your body too weak now. So and the thing they worry me. So I just make I help myself. Yeah, I beg now.
Oh, this thing when you do, you no good at all. You no good.
I'm sorry.
Why you go carry woman come house like that? Just now go market. Don't go buy. Wait till you go eat. You carry woman come house.
Honey, I'm sorry now.
See, Oga, I'm going. No, I'm going. Come, let's do this. Let me leave here.
Man, I wait for you. You know wait for this. My wife don't come.
So, this is all concerning now. In fact.
No man, this one I need to. No first. That's how people doing now.
If you ask me that nonsense question, yeah, you go get problem.
No first now. No first.
You can't buy your baby now. You carry woman come house.
Na devil handwork. All this na devil handwork. Allah, na devil handwork.
Oh, madam, see, let's do this thing. You and your wife, you people can sort yourself out now. When I'm out of here, madam, let's do this. Let me leave here now. Where's the money?
Which money?
Oh,
which money? We'll do anything.
Which money? We'll do anything. Your husband. I'm give my mama come for here.
We'll not do anything. Lady, my which money now? I know that time. Which money? We'll do anything. We'll not do anything. We'll not do anything. So,
give her money. Make she come out for this place.
Go bring my money. Go bring my 30K. Wey promise me. Just go carry and come out more for here. Go bring and come out more for here. I no get time. I beg.
But you know, so we not do anything. So na.
You no concern me, oh.
Na 5K I'll give you.
I no understand.
Na 5K I'll give you.
I no understand. Madam, tell your husband, I beg. Me give my mama come for here.
Me actually I give 30K, but so no do anything. She don't come na 5K na me I won't give her.
Since your third leg no fit dey one place, carry the money give her. Make she come out for this house. Why not change am for her?
Money ma give her 30,000 naira money.
Give her money make she come out for here.
So ma give her 30K.
Before uncle.
With that me I don't do anything.
I send you. Hello, babe. Can you hear me? Babe, I get good news for you. We don't cash out. See, get one man I just meet. Get one man like this. Me and that man no even do anything. The man won't give me 30K. Yes, 30 ta. The man won't
so
give me.
So now my husband they call.
Babe, I'll call you back, please.
I
don't understand.
Okay.
Honey,
come. Honey, come. Honey, come here. See this girl. If let's say she won't carry me and you play for this house. You, as your eye they shine like thief man touch. She won't carry us play. You know say she there they call her friend say she don't jam one mugu. Only idiot. We won't give her 30,000. 30,000 naira. Go feed the whole of Opolo community. Wait, no fool do anything. Now you won't just give her make she they go. Honey, Naka waiting no good. You see this girl, Naka pekus. Naka scatter her thing.
Honey, make a Naka.
Naka. Who has strong thing? You see this pekus. Naka.
Is it Naka?
Naka. 30,000 naira na small thing. Hey, Naka waiting no good. Come lock the door.
Honey, make a Naka.
Naka, come lock the door. Naka waiting no good. Come close the door.
Honey, you want to make a Naka?
Naka waiting. Check,
honey. Your reward shall be in heaven.
Thank you. Come close the door.
Come close the door.
Come close the door. Close the door. Close the door.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yes, thank you. God bless you. Baby girl.
Oh yeah,
come back. I know why you come.
She dey craze. Today, 30,000. You go hear am for your body. Next time, you know, come somebody house, come they come follow the husband dey sleep. My matrimonial home. That 30,000 will come out from your throat.
A few moments later.
Honey! Honey!
Honey,
Wetin dey happen now? I no dey even hear her dey scream.
I dey try my best.
Why dey breathe like this?
I dey try my best, honey.
No. Be like say you no get strength. Wait for me. I dey come.
Ma, wait for you.
Wait. I dey come.
Okay. Honey, your reward is in heaven.
You get strength. You must get strength. Next time, you no go come somebody's matrimonial home. Take
What do you do, honey?
na manpower.
Manpower. Hey, honey.
You go get enough strength.
Honey, your reward is in heaven. Hey, God help
Shake
me.
am well.
Yes.
Knack am wetin no good.
Your
See that kpekus, scatter am.
honey, your reward is in heaven.
Put your bola for her throat. Put am for her ear. Put am for her nose. Make sure that 30,000 come outside. Dey go inside. Go inside.
Your reward is in
Go
heaven.
inside. Do your work. Today. Yeah. Today. What happened?
Honey, you know, say I want condom now. I don't finish her.
You don't just one condom.
I just want to get now. So
Only
I
one.
don't finish her.
Wait for me here. Man, go bring condom for you. Wait till I dey come. See, today. See, my husband. See, na 3 condom dey here. Make sure you finish all the 3 for this mumu olosho get body. Finish am for body.
Honey, make I finish all these things.
Finish am.
Oh God. Oh, Tamara, me kami. Honey,
Finish am.
your reward is in heaven.
Finish am.
God will bless you.
Knack am kpekus no good.
Honey,
Enter.
I'm going.
Finish all the 3 oh.
Ma, finish all the 3.
Finish all the
Finish all the 3.
Finish am. Go inside. Next time, when she see somebody spam, she go comot eye.
Honey.
Don't knack her wetin no good.
I have finished her.
Thank God. What happened? My husband. Olosho don't kill my husband. Olosho don't kill my husband. Honey! Honey, wake up, eh? Hey! I don't enter. Olosho don't kill my husband. Olosho don't kill my husband. Olosho don't kill my husband. Honey, wake up. Honey, wake up.